What's going on YouTube? ZX Predator here, and doing a actual, okay, this is the BT 5.0. I did the A10 video, but we're actually with my brother-in-law. He's gonna help me out with a little bit of a demo.
The revolution will be live.
No, you can find this on Amazon. It's budget. It's about $20, but you saw me do the unboxing for this. Okay, now he's trying it with his iPhone. Now he's just gonna do a quick demonstration. So, like I said, this is an easy, super easy install. This is what it looks like inside the helmet. We got my track helmet there, and we're struggling. We're finding out that we need to get a bigger helmet for my brother-in-law. But I'm gonna have him do a demo call, and we're gonna let it rock. Guess what, Willie?
Hey Siri, boobies.
I hear it. I hear the
Yeah.
prompt talking.
It's ringing now.
Okay.
Wow.
It's when we did a demo call, that thing is pretty clear. For the cost, if you're not trying to spend an arm and a leg, that thing works out really well. Yeah, I can hear it.
You hear everything?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. She's probably not done with work yet.
Mm-hmm.
I have to put the volume down because it's too loud.
It's really loud. Yeah. Now there's no there's a button.
Wow.
There's 3 buttons on here. When we were trying to change stuff, it was actually changing the tracks. So I get the speakers are really good on that.
It's if I had to put it less than half because if I put it even half,
It's too loud.
Too loud.
Mm.
Even music, I was listening to some music on YouTube. I had to listen to you. I had to put it low, so I can listen to when people are talking to me.
Okay.
This is a very great device. I like it.
Yeah, so this is being redone because I know that the other video was rather short because you see all my Predator helmets here. This A10 device was sent to me also very simplistic, and it's an alternative to some of the other Bluetooth devices that you have. But now that my brother-in-law is actually out there riding, we're going to make sure that I can be in communications with him, so I tell everybody, if you're riding with new riders or you're riding in groups, it's important to have comms. It's very important, so I mean, with that being said, the quality, I tested it myself on the Predator Berserker helmet, and I was blown away. It was really nice, but this one, it's easy to install. You're not dealing with too many wires, and then on the front, it actually has the charger right inside of the device. So, it was a quick charge too.
And then what I like with this is my cell phone is in my pocket. I can reach out the front and I put the volume down or volume up. This is very good. I don't have to even get my cell phone from my pocket to put the volume down. I can actually do it right there. It's amazing.
Oh, yeah, you can reach in and actually pinch it, and then it'll start your call. But since he's using Siri, the voice commands, I said it in my last video, the voice commands are really good. They're accurate. Sometimes I struggle with my what was that? My Scala Rider and having to do the Google stuff. But I mean, with that being said, this is the first time I got to do like a demo of this sort. But what we will end up doing is actually do a riding video where I can actually record some of that. So now that's gonna be his Bluetooth. Like that is his gift. So this is yours, my friend.
Oh yeah.
Because I have in all of my helmets, I got all, Scala Rider bays and then the A10 up there. But with that, we're going to do like a ride test. And today, this is being recorded on November 18th. It was a very, how can I say, beautiful day to ride. So we got to do some practice with that. So, but you like the speakers? They're good?
Amazing.
All right.
complain.
All right.
Amazing.
Hey, you know, I'll have a link in the description below. And then with that being said, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. My brother-in-law helped me to do this product demo, and you know, we'll go from there. So make sure you rate, comment, and hit the like button. The like go a long way. So ZX Predator, we're done. Thank you for watching.